Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the home screen and app screen layout. So this is the home screen and this is the app screen. Okay, if you swipe right or left, you can see the home screen. If you swipe up here, you can see the app screen. So let me show you how to change the home screen and app screen layout. Simply go to settings. Now scroll down, tap on home screen. So here you can see the option home screen layout. Tap on this one. So now the home screen and app screen layout is selected. So if you want to change only the home screen, then select the option home screen, tap on apply. Now go to the home screen. You can see all the applications are here. If you swipe up, there is no app screen is there. So simply we selected only the home screen layout. So if you want to change this one again or go to the settings, go to the home screen, tap on home screen layout and you can select the option home and app screen. Tap on apply. Now you can see this is the home screen. If you swipe up here you can see the app screen. So simply in this way we can change the home screen and app screen layout on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.